Hello everyone, today I'm making a food called ravioli, and it looks like this. Now you can say, first prepare some vegetables and meat and stir it together, and then prepare this cover. It made by flour. And then prepare a water, and this is how it looks like. We make it like this. First get one of this, and then put some meat and vegetables inside the cover, and then roll it. Then use this water like this, because this cover made by flour, so it can stick together when you get some water. Now it looks like a flour, very beautiful and yummy. This is all. Now after we made this one, and then we prepare some sauce. This is the sauce materials. First put some shallot and ginger into this bowl. And put some this, it's called the 瓜儿菜. And also this, made by my mom. It's garlic and spicy into this bowl. And some this, it's called 三胡椒. It's also made by my mom. It's a special sauce of China. Finally, put some soy sauce. And some 醋, or it's called a baomian vinegar. It's a sour flavor. Okay, then get some water, boiled water, into this sauce. Now mix it together. And then boil some vegetables. This one called cabbage, 白菜. Then get it out. Okay, when the water boiled, then put this in. Okay, now you can see all the baomian floating on the top. Then get it out. It's done. Use this one, get it out into this sauce. Water and the vegetables. Very yummy. See? Okay, see you next time. Subscribe me, and thank you.